Okay, so I started the stream, and the reason to start the stream in afternoon is that previous week I am not able to continue the series. So today I decided to continue to uh, series, and I'm just checking the audio and
Okay,
video.
so
I started the stream, and the reason to start the stream in afternoon is that previous week I am not able to continue the series.
okay,
So
the
today
voice
I
is coming
decided
well.
to let's continue to the Figma part so that we can know more about the stuffs what we are going to do today. So not the things too much. It's like simply our previous summary is like that. I am just giving the summary of previous three sessions. We are talking about what is SaaS, software as a service, what are their important specs in this, and how to create any landing page, types of landing page, and types of hero section. There are generally two types of landing section in which a hero section either text is left aligned and images are right aligned, or text is center aligned, or images are peripheral or not aligned in center, like this stuff. And we discussed about example of an online train booking platform, and the main important specs is like to search the from to destination, date, return date, and number of person traveling. This is main highlighting point. So we must place this in center, then the either the destination part or some quick icon filter button like this. These are not so much important. We can uh, arrange them in hierarchy low order. Then this search button main highlighting point is this, like this we are discussed. And in day two we discussed about the hero section and the three elements of good elements in the hero section like this. And we designed the live UI of this, and like this. This is the, and if you need any Figma file, just comment me, and I will surely share you the Figma file. And also I created a prototype of this. While hovering, the color must be changed like this. I am just sharing you how it looks. If you are new in stream, you can know about this, uh, about how prototype works. And a prototype is very important because in modern design, while hovering, the color is changing like this in design, and this is like continuously up and down. If by changing the time, we can reduce the space, but this is just to give an example of bouncy effect. I do this in the previous streams. You can go and watch for the full detail explanation. Okay, moving forward for today, that is day 4. In landing page one or after the hero section, the main section is come as feature section, where we as a designer include some specific USP of a particular product, because user has to understand, he understand about the basic concept in the hero section, then what actually the USPs of that product. He explore the feature part. For that, the feature section tells users what a product actually does. Okay, this is where users decide if the product is useful or not. So sometimes maybe user don't find the product useful, but sometimes he wants to play and see some things what actually do. So for that, to engage the user, you must to include this feature section and creative in creative way, so that user invest at least some time, because main aim of a designer is to hook the users. And I am generally saying the word user because there is big difference between user and customer or consumer. You can say whatever you want, but I am saying customer. Customer always loved your product, pay for your product, and use your product on daily basis. But user are like, maybe they use it once in a year, once in a lifetime, like this. But if you improve number of times, if an user comes in a platform like once in a year, to once in a 6 months, then it's you. It depends on the designer how actually he engage the user in his product. Good feature design focused on benefits, not just feature. It is the feature for section is like, don't show the user the what are the feature, what user actually gets the benefit. For example, if you are in, like preparing a hero section or landing page of an video editing product, okay, then show them he can change the voice, he can easily cut the gaps in the video. Not we have a feature like we do timeline, like this type of stuff's not work. You actually show what benefits user gets. How to present, okay, and there is some mistake, I am just checking. Okay, for the and for the content part, I use the chat GPT. You can also use for any stuffs, and this makes your work very simple sometimes. I'm just asking the chat GPT what I am going today, and he prepared then slides for content for slides, and I just prepare the presentation. Each feature should be easy to understand. Use simple language, small visuals, and short description. Sometimes visual, sometimes description. Don't overload users with too many features in one screen. Don't overload, like showing 15 to 20 features, not like this. Only 3, 4, max to max 6 USPs of your product, not more than 6. I generally not recommend you. If it is 7, try to merge some features two together and so in the 6 boxes max to max. And it is very much then important than try 7 or 8, and try to make the even one, not or if it is an or, try to make it look symmetry. Now going to the practical part, and before going to start the design, I am showing you one example of this. uh, I don't know what actually pronunciation of this. That's why I'm saying tsuk.ai. You can also use sometime maybe design don't look good in Figma, but when you how it going to represent, if you have idea, then it looks great. I'm showing you with this example how it going to look. It is a Figma design so boring, like so much weight, like this stuff. But when you actually look in the how it is implemented, then it was uh, you can clearly see. Don't see the margin part. Just see the what actually going to in the hero section. Only 3 words: simplify your life. That's enough. This is the um, strong words used in the hero section. It shows how useful of this AI. It uses to simplify your life. And in the image, it shows the spreadsheet. So it is related to the AI that we use in the day-to-day life, like the Google Sheet or like these stuffs, and it helps to simplify our process like this. This is the feature part section, only 3 cards. See the big picture now, it how it's going to work. This is steps. Saving time in is saving money. I strong again word saving time is saving money. Try it today, join our sometime the message is clear, website is simple, but shows a big impact. I am not saying this website is 100 out of 100. I am showing how sometimes simplicity works more than the complex things. Now I'm showing you the complex design, this design. Okay, you are showing like this is okay. Well, how it going to look in the website? Let's see how it is going to look in the website so that you can understand more. Okay, this is the land hero section. How it going to look? Too much animation, but sometimes animation works well, and this is the perfect example. Minimal cars, minimal animation, but overall design looks premium. Okay, whenever any clicks on this, how it is going to look, and this is the creativity of a designer. If you are wanted to become 1% designer or top designer, then your work like look like this. And this is the second example. So let's create some section of this so that you can understand it in a better way. So let's create the about us page. And okay, so let's take an artboard, simple artboard of this, and take some words about us. Now getting to know Fingard. And the design is, I say share you the design. It is the design based on a Pinterest I downloaded. There is I don't have officially created this design. It is an art based one of Fiverr designer and develop design this product, and I think it is look very good. And I'm just trying to replicate the design so that you can understand how a modern design look like. Just I'm typing all the stuff. Second example is also I can easily also use the AI for image to text, but I'm just always try to type because it helps me to also improve my typing speed and consistency of words sometimes. And overall purpose of this stream is to improve myself. So I try to do things by self, not depending on the AI. But if you want to save your time, you must use the time because use AI, because AI is only made for to save your time. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's create the cards. Just create the random card, and later we decide the sizes and color things, different stuffs. Okay, okay, here is two words. Two paragraphs are there like this. So I just create the placeholder for them. No need to write again and again same things. Just create the placeholder. Okay, and need to create a circle here with a profile icon. I'm using the iconify for the profile icon. Let's use this. Okay, Now we can start the designing part. Basic structure layout is ready. Now we are going to create a layout guide for this. I am using the column guide and gutter is set 20. Let's make it 20 and number of counts is 12. For the website I'm not width, I count is this 12, and for the width we are going to use around 80. Let's check it. I think 80 is good. Let's try to implement this. First, okay, there is some issue in all. You already know if you are watching the stream daily. uh, After 15-20 minutes of obvious running, my system start lagging sometime, but no issue. I will try to make it. Okay, one thing I want to say to you. I in the evening I'm again going to do the stream, so the system runs very slow. In the evening, I will show you the design part. After ending this session, I will complete this design, and then I will show the overall look of this, how it looks. I only going to redesign, not going to redesign, just replicate about us and feature section and the prototype of feature. When I clicked on this, how this going to look. Okay, simply two sections, and so that you can understand, and also I will show you how prototype works of this. Before ending the session for now, I will again show you some more design in the Pinterest. You just follow this type of stuff like this. Just see the design of this. I will play this. Just show the prototype. Very minimal, very simple, and very inspirational. Okay, and this type of hero section looks very premium because Apple also uses this type of stuff. You can also check the Apple website, very minimal, and all the contents are centrally aligned. Just check like this, minimal, simple, and uh, white space are lots of white space. Don't we make your website messy, like lots of stuff in the single thing. This is not. This makes your website looks very bulky. Check this, centrally aligned stuff, so much margin in the left and right. Sometimes white section makes you to focus in the center. So this is the main motto of these designs. So that's enough for today. Let's meet in the evening and we discuss